Are you oh. Hey, didn't see you there. Today we're going to be taking apart this chair here. Let's get right into it. So we got a various amount of things to take it apart with. As you can see, we have some gaffer tape. We have a hammer. A measure, it measures tape. Then we have this thing. Oh my. It scares me. And then we have a various assortment of screwdrivers. As you can see, this one has a big head, just like me. This one has a small head, just like Ben. Let's get started. Okay, we're gonna start with unscrewing screws. So as you can see, we're unscrewing. That's boring. Watch out, Ben. Okay. Now what we're gonna do? We're going to measure some tape. We're going for about, that's about 5 inches there. There are some screws sticking up here. Ow, okay. We will block those off by the tape. Now it's completely safe. Where'd my hammer go? Alright. That scared me.
Do you want a saw?
Oh. There's a cover. It's for people like me, you know. It's coming off. Your house may not be as equipped as my house is. My beautiful house. House tour coming soon. We'll stick with the screwdriver. Oh, we have 2 screws. High tech.
Several song-filled hours later.
Leg strength is off the charts. This has been taking apart with Owen. In my next video, I really don't know what I'm going to be doing. So make sure to hit that like button and subscribe over there. Alright. Bye.